Topic E, collaborating with your stakeholders. If you're working on a project that has a plethora of stakeholders, you may find it beneficial to build out a stakeholder engagement plan. This is a plan that identifies the strategies and actions required to promote productive involvement of your stakeholders in your project or program decision-making and execution. Effective collaboration works to build trust between all parties. When you're collaborating, it optimizes the understanding of aims and expectations through open dialogue and meaningful communication. It's easy to accept that each person's involvement and engagement level may fluctuate during the project. You want to keep discussions transparent to ensure stakeholders are knowledgeable and expectations are set. And be sure to leverage communication and interpersonal skills, feedback, and meeting management to maximize the feedback loop and stakeholder engagement. There's several different collaboration activities that can take place. The most important things are that you determine and optimize collaborative activities on an ongoing basis and as a team effort. Activities that encourage regular collaboration include your daily stand-up meetings or co-locating teams for face-to-face communication, as well as having scheduled sessions, milestone reviews, backlog grooming sessions, and project update meetings. You want to base the frequency of engagement on the mutual needs and expectations of the project team and your stakeholders. And nearly constant engagement is always recommended. Let's do a quick review. It's important that you develop a stakeholder engagement plan. You can review your project artifacts. This includes your project management plan and your stakeholder register. And consider the organization's culture, structure, and political climate. Remember that your lessons learned database needs to be kept up to date with historical information. Use expert judgment to decide on the level of engagement required from each stakeholder at different project stages. Hold meetings with experts in the project team to define the required engagement levels for all of your stakeholders. Use analytical techniques to classify the level of engagement for your stakeholders and document your stakeholder engagement plan. Let's review some quick facilitation guidelines. When you're facilitating a meeting, you want to ensure that the meetings are appropriate to the stakeholders' engagement level. Be sure to set and distribute an agenda before the meeting occurs and allow your stakeholders to review and change that agenda when necessary. Start meetings promptly to be sure that you're supporting a sense of urgency. And keep in mind that these meetings should be time-boxed. Allow others to speak and share during the meetings, and be sure to take notes or record the meeting with permission. Keep meeting discussions on topic. Save off-topic discussions for another time. Recap the meeting and assign any necessary action items. Be sure to thank everyone for attending. Adjourn the meeting per the scheduled time, or even earlier. And be sure that you distribute the meeting notes or recordings. That's all for topic E. We'll see you next time for topic F, monitoring your relevant stakeholders.